So this is a Vitamix Immersion blender, and this is the box it comes in. You can see what it looks like. It does come with storage case. We got 3-year warranty, 5 speeds, 625 watt motor, and 4-prong blade. On the sides here, we can see some more pictures, and not too much more to see. Let's go ahead and open it up. So we got quite a few papers. Here's one that says start here, and it looks like a little start guide here that kind of shows you how to use it properly for different types of things, and it's in a couple languages. All right, so here we have the case. Pretty cool Vitamix logo here. A little carrying handle with the logo up front. Very nice case. We got zippers. We have a pocket here up front. Everything's still packed up here, but we can see the 3 main pieces that it comes with. So this is our main attachment. And then we got this little whisker attachment, and then the motor itself, which by the way is quite beefy. So we got a really nice stainless steel finish and a rubber texture towards the top here where the cord is. Got some lights there, logo, the on and off switch, and the speed. You can see Vitamix there, manufacturing label, and the connection point underneath. And the cord seems pretty decently long, not too thick, pretty easy to handle. We have a little silicone strap that keeps things organized, and it looks like about 4.5, 5 feet maybe. The whisking attachment looks very nice. It is plastic. That's a connection point there, and it slides onto the motor and then clips on. And then our main blend tool is actually made out of metal. Very nice quality, feels heavy duty. And towards the bottom we can see we got a little cover here. Our blades, and they are Vitamix branded, and we got this kind of like a shroud around them where you can set it down when you're mixing something. So yeah, it feels extremely high quality and durable. So let's see if we can't connect these 2 pieces together. Should be pretty simple. They should line up, and actually there's a little spring action there, and we just twist it clockwise and it locks in, and we're pretty much ready to go. So yeah, let's plug it in and see how these controls work and how loud it is. All right, so we got it plugged in. We can see there's a light there that's glowing. So let's go ahead and hit the power button. So if you hit it, it doesn't do anything. You actually have to hold it. So it's like a hold kind of start end operation. If you let go, it stops completely. So right now we're on number 1 and pretty slow speed, and it's not very loud. So let's change our speed to 2. That's a little faster. 3. So yeah, even on 3 it's pretty quiet. 4. We're getting a lot faster here, and the blades are definitely moving. And maximum speed, which is 5. Yeah, and it's really fast. And yeah, overall guys, it's quite quiet. Pretty impressive, and it just cycles through the speeds. And you can mix anything you want is what's great about this. No matter what you're doing, drinks, cooking, whatever needs blending or mixing with this whisker, like mashed potatoes or whatnot else, you got everything here. It also stores very nicely in this included storage case.